Yeah, Ghost boy. I wanna bear arms, they want gun control. I wanna bear arms, they want gun control. It starts with our guns, then our freedom. They wanna control all the air that we breathe in, but with these 3D printers we can defeat them. Send out these messages, hope you receive it. Pledge our allegiance to truth, they can't handle it. Persecution, harassment is cancerous. Thought that they could outright with this Lazarus. Flooding the networks, call us crypto anarchists. Judges are smiling from there on the bench. Wanna take our only line of defense. One day your living room might be a trench. Answer the call, us deterrence dispense. For less than 200 can get out the simulator. They would take all your rights and assimilate you. Shout out to Cody, the originator. Made the first printed gun, that's a liberator. I wanna bear arms, they want gun control. Unalienable freedom ain't supposed to come and go. You can ban the sales in this government puppet show, yeah, but I can print an arsenal right from my home. 3D amendment, 3D amendment. The mag, that's Menendez. Plastic inventions, my independence, my right to defend it. Come after my family and your life, I'll end it. They wanna take our guns whenever kids get shot. Instead of helping the sick, they say you in their dots. Exercise your rights, end up on prison blocks. That's why I'm telling you how to print a Glock. Grab the Creality and the 3. Get an Nissan PLA Plus. Peace, find a Freeman, don't ask. Glock 17 using GitHub. Search 5 SCAD, then please slash the XTL. Infinite 100%. Make sure to use supports, then print while you wait. Order rails on spooky rails. Glock 17 parts get through the mail. Remove supports when it's done, see to read me. Give a shout out on key bases, too easy. Assemble when the parts arrive. It's all a blur. And don't forget the spring and the follower. I wanna bear arms, they want gun control. Unalienable freedom ain't supposed to come and go. You can ban the sales in this government puppet show, yeah, but I can print an arsenal right from my home. 3D amendment, 3D amendment. The mag, that's Menendez. Plastic inventions, my independence, my right to defend it. Come after my family and your life, I'll end it.